Have you ever needed to switch branches or pull the latest changes, but when you run git checkout to another branch, you got into this error? It says you have uncommitted changes and you are not allowed to switch to target branch before you commit or stash your changes. Your changes are not ready to commit and you certainly doesn't want to discard your changes as well, so the only option is to stash. Today I will show you how to handle this situation using git stash. Firstly, why would this happen? When you edit any existing files, your working directory is dirty, and Git won't allow you to switch branches or pull without committing or discarding your changes. Now, what git stash does here is it saves your local modification temporarily, cleans your working directory, and let you switch branches safely. Then you can bring those changes back later. Let's go through a quick demo. Currently, I'm in a feature branch with some edits. We can verify it by running git status command. Next, we can stash these changes using git stash command. What happens now is git save your changes and clean your working directory. When we run git status again, you will see a clean working tree, and you are free to pull or switch to any branch. Next, how to check my stash history is by running git stash list command. So you can see this is my changes that being stashed just now. Now when you are done with other work and you want to continue on the changes, here is how you restore your work from the stash. There are two options. First option, git stash apply, which takes the latest from the list and apply in your current branch. This option will still remain a copy in the stash list. Second option, git stash popped, which will also apply the latest stash as well, but at the same time it will remove from the stash list. A useful tip here, use apply if you are unsure, so you don't lose the stash if there is a conflict. In real world, there is a scenario where you just need to pull updates from remote branch, but you have local modifications, which you will get into the same error from git. In this case, you can run git pull --rebase --auto stash command. What happens in this command is that git temporarily stashes your changes, pull and rebase onto the updated branch, and lastly reapplies your changes automatically. In summary, don't treat stash as a long-term storage, as it's easy to forget what's inside. Use messages on stashes so you know what's what. Avoid stashing massive binary or ignore artifacts unless necessary. Prefer apply over pop if you expect conflicts, then drop the stash once you are confident. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.